Hi, this is Megan Hay with McGraw-Hill's Digital Success Team. In this video, we'll be reviewing assignment policies. Once you've selected your questions from the question bank, you'll move on to the Set Policies step. This step is divided into 3 parts. When is the assignment available and due? What type of assignment is this? And the settings within each assignment type. We do recommend downloading the Policy Settings PDF and saving it to your desktop, as this is a detailed guide on policy settings. First, we're going to set the start and due date. You can make the assignment available once you've assigned it, or you can have it available at a specific date and time. After that, we're going to determine whether we want to accept late submissions or have the system automatically submit assignments at the due date and time. Please note that this means that in-progress assignments will automatically be submitted as well. The next step is to move down to what type of assignment is this. The 4 types of assignments within Connect are homework, practice, quiz, and exam. These 4 different types enable you to keep your assignments organized for grading and reporting. Each assignment type also has its own default policy settings that you can leave as is or customize. You can customize the settings for the specific assignment you're creating at the time, or change the default settings for future assignments of that type. Click Expand Advanced Settings to see a summary of all policies for each assignment type. Click Edit All Settings to edit. There are 5 different types of assignment settings: basic, attempts, answer tolerances, resources, and feedback. In basic settings, you can set a time limit, allow for printing, scramble questions, provide a password, or simply give credit to your students for completing the assignment, regardless of whether they were correct or incorrect. Attempts allows you to select from 1, 2, 3, or unlimited number of attempts, allow students to start over or simply revise, deduct scores for additional attempts, and allow for study attempts, which opens up the assignment after the due date and time so students can use it for studying for a midterm or final exam. Depending on the questions in your assignment, tolerances allows you to set language or numeric answer tolerances. Setting tolerances allows for a wider range of answers to be scored as correct. Resource settings allows you to enable students to see additional information when completing their assignments. This ranges from question title to point value to ebooks and resources, hints, check my work, or show solutions and answers when available. Finally, we have the feedback settings. Your students can receive feedback after completing assignment attempts or submitting each question. Show feedback after submitting each attempt allows you to select for the first, additional attempts, and also after scoring 100%. There are a few options, so we recommend going through each of these options to ensure you select the best fit for each attempt and for the assignment type. Please contact your digital success consultant if you would like a more thorough review of these policy settings. Once you've set your assignment policies, you can either select to apply to this assignment only or save it as your default settings for that particular assignment type. From there, we'll click Review and Assign at the bottom right-hand corner. We'll have the option to preview the assignment or view it as a student, copy it over to any of our colleagues or additional sections, and then click Assign, and you're all set to go.